Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to send email from one ConvertKit account but use different name every time. So let's look at what I'm trying to say. So if you see here, this email came from the email ID which is help@convertkit.com, but sender name is isa@convertkit. Okay, let's look at another email. The same thing here. This email again came from Nathan@ConvertKit, but the email ID is still the same, help@ConvertKit. Another example here, Haley, and the email ID is help@convertkit.com. Let's look at one more, Tyler@ConvertKit. Again the email ID is same. So how you can do the same thing with your email account. So for example, you have a team, and in your team there are 4 people who usually send emails, and sometimes they want to send email with their name. Maybe they want to send a personal message, or for whatever reason they want to send by their name, like we showed you just an example of how ConvertKit team does it. But how can you do that? So let's look at our account settings first. So go to your account settings and email tab. This is where you will find all the from email addresses. If you have 1, 2, 3 or whatever you have added, you will see all the different email IDs. So I'm going to take an example of this email ID, which hi@CoursePursuits.com. Right now, as you can see, the from name is Prashant and Apurva. So whenever an email will go out, by default it will have Prashant and Apurva. But let's say sometime I want to send an email and I want my name to show up. The email should show up as Prashant, and it still needs to go out from hi@CoursePursuits.com, this email ID. So how can we do that? So what we need to do is we click on add from address. So we'll add it, and this time I'm going to enter my name, Prashant. And then if you want to add something else in your name, let's say Prashant at CoursePursuits. So this is how my name will appear in their inbox, and I'm going to add the same email ID again. So you see what I did? I used the same email ID which was there in the above step. So email ID is same, but I just simply changed the name. Once you change the name, we click on add email. So I clicked on add email. It will be pending confirmation. So you need to go back to your account, this email ID, and you need to click on confirm again. Once you click on confirm, your account will be confirmed, and after that you will be able to send the email. So I'll go back and check my account so that I can confirm this. So I clicked on the confirmation email that I got in my account. Now I'm going to refresh this page and see if this changes from pending to confirmed. So my status has changed to confirmed. So the email ID is still the same in both the cases, but the sender name is now 2. One is Prashant and Apurva, another one is Prashant at CoursePursuits. So whenever I want to send an email, let's say I want to send a broadcast. So I'll go to my broadcast tab, and this is a new broadcast I want to send. And right now you can see all the email IDs that are available. I'm going to refresh this one more time, and let's see if the new email ID shows up. So right now you can see the new email ID we just added, Prashant at CoursePursuits, with the same email ID hi@CoursePursuits.com is showing up. So whenever I use this, my name will show up. If I want to send email as both Prashant and Apurva, I'll use this option. As you notice, the email ID is still the same in both the cases, but the name has changed. Okay, so this is how you can use same email ID but have different names whenever you send emails from ConvertKit account. I have seen it, a lot of companies do that, especially where they have a lot of team members who send emails, and this is a good way to avoid having multiple email addresses, because even your subscriber will get confused if it is coming from different email IDs. And of course different email IDs may have different deliverability rate in your inbox, and it could be difficult. So it's easier to manage. You are just getting replies or everything on one email ID, and you can still send it by different names. So hope you like this ConvertKit tip. I have a lot of other ConvertKit tips on my channel, so you can go and subscribe and watch those and let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching.